let me share the differences between the Neakasa and the PetKit automatic litter boxes. Now, these litter boxes are both fantastic for oversized kitties. The Neakasa with its open top is very inviting for a cat of any size or personality if you have a very timid cat to climb into. Whereas the PetKit is the best covered drum automatic litter box I've come across for large or timid kitties. And I think one of the reasons why is while a cat will have no problem jumping into this, a lot of cats don't like to jump into enclosed drums. And this one is very low, very large opening, so it's very easy for the cat to look and step into it. And this one has been very successful with my 15-pound ragdoll, which is a huge win. Now, they both dump litter in slightly different ways. The Neakasa will actually spin backwards and then dump directly down into a drawer in the bottom. And the PetKit will spin up and then spin back, and it has a chute on the side that will collect the dirty litter. And then that actually shoots through a hole down into this drawer right here. And then they both come with great apps with solid features that will not only track which cat is using the box and for how long, but will also give you controls like kitten mode and sleep mode and let you turn off any lights or blinks on these devices. But there are some key differences here. To start off with, Neakasa has a much larger catch drawer, which is really useful if you don't want to change the box too often, but can definitely get smellier. And while the smell stays contained pretty well when the box is in standby mode, when it is dumping, it fully opens up to that trash bin, which can get very smelly. Now, the PetKit has a much smaller trash bin, so it requires you to change it more, but it also is really smartly designed in that it never really opens up completely to the trash bin when it's dumping into it. With the design, it has a chute and it has a cover inside, so there's only a quick moment as everything's flopping into the trash bin that you get that smell. So this one has far less smell. It also comes with two different deodorizer options. It has a deodorizer option inside the box where you can put a filter in there to keep things smelling fresh. And then you can also get the PetKit sprayer. And this deodorizer will not only spray some fresh deodorizer into the air at a timing you control after the cat uses the box, but it also has a light that can light up at the bottom if you want it to. And it can live inside the box or anywhere in the vicinity. And the Neakasa doesn't come with any deodorizer spaces, though obviously you can always just get a separate deodorizer to put next to it if you need to. Another thing I really love about the PetKit is it really keeps everything hidden. It's really all in this drum. It's out of sight, out of mind. Whereas the Neakasa, you really see all the litter. It's very much a huge open litter box. But both of these, in my opinion, are designed to be put out of sight, out of mind, so it's not really an issue, and I do think this one is the most cat-friendly thanks to its open box design. Now let me quickly show you how these rotate. As you can see, the PetKit is a much slower rotation. They both sound about the same. They're not noisy boxes. One other thing I forgot until they started spinning is that the PetKit has a very sensitive motion detector right here. So if a cat were to go by, or a person, it will pause and wait for an extended period of time before it starts back up again. So this is definitely not one you want to put in a highly trafficked area, as it will just keep pausing when it's time to clean. But overall, these are both fantastic, high quality boxes, and I recommend either one. I hope this video helped you make a decision.